Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness in PC easily so you can set your screen to a comfortable level for your eyes. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and open Settings from the menu. The Settings app lets you control important features of your PC, including display, sound, and notifications. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on System to access your display and device options. This section contains all the settings you need to adjust your screen, power, and other system features. Step 3. Make sure you are in the Display section on the left side where you can control screen settings. The Display tab allows you to manage brightness, resolution, and screen orientation for better visibility. Step 4. Under Brightness and Color, move the brightness slider left or right to decrease or increase the screen brightness according to your preference. Adjust it gradually until the screen feels comfortable, especially in different lighting conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.